Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ranjita, daughter of Selvarajan. Today I would like to share with you an informative speech about pursuing a bachelor degree in culinary arts. The culinary industry is a fascinating and ever-evolving field that offers a multitude of opportunities for those with a passion for food. By obtaining a bachelor degree in culinary arts, you can gain a deeper understanding of the culinary world and exchange your skills to excel in this competitive industry. Allow me to present three key points that highlight the benefits of pursuing a bachelor degree in culinary arts.
A degree in culinary arts can provide individuals with a wide range of benefits both personally and professionally. Here are some of the key advantages of pursuing a degree in culinary arts. Firstly, culinary skills development. Culinary arts program offer comprehensive training in cooking technique, food preparation, and kitchen management. Students learn how to work with different ingredients, create diverse dishes, and develop the culinary skills needed for various cooking styles and cuisines. Secondly, creativity and innovation. Culinary arts encourage creativity and innovation in the kitchen. Students have the opportunities to experiment with flavors, ingredients, and presentation, which can lead to the development of unique and signature dishes. Thirdly, career opportunities. A degree in culinary arts can open doors to a wide range of career opportunities in the food and hospitality industry. Graduates can pursue careers as chef, restaurant manager, pastry chef, food waiters, food photographer, food stylist, and more. And last but not least, industry knowledge. Culinary arts programs often include coursework in food safety, nutrition, menu planning, and restaurant operation. This knowledge is valuable for anyone looking to work in the food industry.
The specific subject required for a culinary art program can vary by institution, but some common subject and courses typically include in culinary art program, and this is a few subject in this program. First, culinary fundamental. This subject cover basic cooking technique, knife skill, and kitchen safety. The next subject is food safety and sanitation. This subject focus on safe food handling practice and regulation. Nutrition. This subject make you explore the principle of nutrition and how it relate to cooking and menu planning. They also have a baking and pastry subject. This subject teach you the art of baking, including bread, pastries, and dessert, menu planning and cost. Also have a culinary art management. This subject provide insight into restaurant and kitchen management to help you to manage the restaurant of all kitchen in the future. Remember to check the specific requirement of the culinary art program you are interested in, as prerequisite or and cost offering may vary from one school to another.
A degree in culinary art can open up a various career opportunity in the culinary and hospitality industry. While the traditional path may lead to role like chef or sous chef, there are several existing and evolving job opportunities for culinary arts graduates in the future, including, for the first one is food scientist or food technology. There's professional work to develop new product to improve existing one and ensure food safety and quality. They combine culinary knowledge with scientific expertise. For the second one is food writer or food blogger. With the rise of the food culture and the online media, culinary art Graduates can pursue career as a food writer, blogger, or a vlogger, sharing their expertise, recipe, and culinary experience. For the third point is food stylists. Food stylists are responsible for making food look visual appealing for photography and videos. They work in advertising for food magazine, cookbooks, and television sets. Well, those are some of the type of job that can be obtained from the culinary art program. The culinary industry is diverse, and with a culinary art degree, you have the flexibility to explore the various paths based on your interests and skill. It's important to stay updated with industry trends, continue learning, and adapt to the evolving culinary landscape and succeed in your chosen career.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to shed light on fascinating aspect of culinary education, the global perspective it offers to aspiring chefs. Culinary arts programs around the world often provide a unique opportunity to cultivate a deep understanding of food, not just as a science, but as essential element of culture and identity. This program emphasizes the importance of exploring culinary traditions from various corners of the globe. They teach students to appreciate the rich tapestry of flavors, technique, and ingredients that different cultures bring to the table. Through hand-on experience and exposure to diverse cuisine, students learn not only how to prepare international dish but also gain insight into a cultural context that shape them. This global perspective is not just about expanding one culinary repertoire, it's about preparing future chefs and culinary professionals to work in a world that is increasingly interconnected. In our globalized society, culinary experts must be adaptable, respectful of cultural nuances, and capable of creating dishes that resonate with people from different backgrounds. By fostering a global perspective, culinary art program empowers students to embark on culinary journeys that transcend borders. They equip students with the skill and knowledge needed to work in diverse culinary environments worldwide, whether in a bustling kitchen in Paris, a street food stall in Bangkok, or a farm-to-table restaurant in New York City. In a world where food has the power to bring people together, this global perspective not only enhances culinary careers but also contribute to cultural exchange and understanding. So, the next time you savor a dish from a far off land, remember that it may have been prepared with this expertise and cultural appreciation instilled in chef by this culinary art program. Thank you for your attention. Let's go for the next.
In conclusion, pursuing a bachelor degree in culinary arts offers a comprehensive education, diverse career opportunities, and practical experience in the culinary industry. It allows you to deepen your knowledge, refine your skills, and explore various paths within the culinary world. Whether you aspire to become a chef, work in food media, or start your own culinary business, a bachelor's degree in culinary arts can provide you with the necessary foundation and opportunities to success. So, if you have a passion for food and a desire to turn into a fulfilling career, consider pursuing a bachelor's degree in culinary arts. Thank you.